No true Scotsman. This kind of post-rationalization is a way of avoiding valid criticisms of one's argument. Example:
I'm so over the quote-unquote ex-vegans, which obviously aren't ex-vegans because they were never vegan.
That's why you're doing air quotes.
I'm doing air quotes.
Yeah.
The ex-vegan Venus, he was never vegan in the first place, but we'll get to that later.
I believe 100% one cannot be an ex-vegan or used to be vegan. I always say used to be vegan equals was never vegan, because veganism is not a diet.
It is not worth the lifestyle's change. And by change, I mean if a person decides they're no longer vegan, it clearly means you were never vegan in the first place.
Although a lot of people go vegan, which made me think that he wasn't a vegan in the first place.
So this is my reaction to John Venus no longer being vegan. The guy has never been vegan.
Firstly, he isn't quote-unquote vegan, he is plant-based.
He's no longer vegans. They're literally just doing it for views. And they were never fucking vegan in the first place, because if you are vegan, you wouldn't fucking start eating animals again. Let's face it, once you know, you can't go back. You watch these documentaries, how can you then go and eat a burger?
I basically think that he was never vegan, that he was basically a fraud.
John Venus was never vegan. John Venus is a fraud.
This is why this guy was never fucking vegan.
When you made what could be called an appeal to purity, one simply shifts the goalposts so that it wouldn't apply to a supposedly true example.
Gaslighting is a well-known psychological technique used by abusers, dictators, and anybody who is insecure enough to feel the need that they need to control someone else's movements and someone else's thoughts. Gaslighting is a psychological phenomenon whereby an abuser makes you the victim question your very reality. They might do this by telling you you're wrong, by making up lies, by telling you that they know better, that they know what's best for you, your health, your family, your future.
It's about to